and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia, and today we have a potion for cartomancy. I've talked about tarot reading before, but for those who don't know, cartomancy is the art of divination with cards such as tarot. If you don't have a deck of tarot cards, no worries. A regular deck of playing cards works just as well. So I am far from being the best tarot reader out there, and honestly, I know I just need to practice some more. But if there's a way to make tarot reading a little bit easier, then I would definitely want to try it out. The wormwood within absinthe is what stimulates and enhances psychic abilities. So make sure you use the real stuff and not just an anise flavored liqueur, or else it won't have the same effect. So then I was thinking, why don't I just take a shot of absinthe instead of making it into a cocktail? And then I remembered that this absinthe is 62% alcohol, and the chances of me even remembering what I'm reading is very low. And can you imagine having to take a shot every time that you do tarot reading? You'd be done very quickly. Sipping at a cocktail sounds much more pleasant. So without further ado, let's craft the cards speak. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 2.5 tablespoons of absinthe, 1 tablespoon of almond flavored syrup, 3.5 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 egg white, and coarse brown sugar to rim the glass. Alright, so first, rim your preferred glass with almond syrup. Then coat it with some coarse brown sugar and set aside. Next, grab a cocktail shaker. Combine absinthe, almond syrup, heavy cream, and egg white. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for at least 30 seconds. Strain your potion into your prepared glass. And ta-da! The card speak is complete. Taste test time. Yeah, this is giving me Remus Gin Fizz vibes all over again. Yeah, hopefully this one tastes a lot better. All right, cheers. Yo, this is delicious. I did not expect to actually even like this one, to be honest. Wow. It has the perfect amount of sweetness and it is so creamy. It's almost like eating liquid ice cream. It's not as sweet as ice cream, which I actually prefer. So you don't taste the absinthe, but it almost feels like there's vanilla in here. You know that slight alcoholic flavor that vanilla provides? That's what I get out of here, which is crazy. This is amazing. You do get a hint of the almond, but it's not overpowering. It's just enough. And strangely enough, this tastes more like what I would imagine birthday cake to taste like than my actual birthday cake cocktail that I made the other week. So I actually added the rim of brown sugar to the recipe myself because 1, it looks a little better than having a plain glass. And 2, I thought this wouldn't be sweet enough and I didn't want to go through another Remus Gin Fizz experience again. So I was like, maybe I should just add an extra bit of sugar in there. But honestly, you don't even need the sugar for this recipe. But I do like having it because it adds a nice crunch to the drink, which again reminds me of the birthday cake cocktail, but this is 10 times better. So make this one instead. If it's your birthday, make this. Tape a candle onto this glass, have this for your birthday, and do some tarot reading and divine the future. It would be perfect. And adding the almond syrup to the rim of the glass really gives it a nice almondy kick when you're drinking the potion. So I think having this rim of sugar and almond syrup is actually a good bonus to this drink. So good. So there is a ritual that accompanies this potion. Basically, before you make your drink, you draw 3 cards from your tarot deck and you place it under your glass. Make your drink with your question in mind, and then you drink your potion. I already picked out my 3 cards, so now I'm going to flip them over. So from left to right, it is past, present, and future. So my question was, what will be the main theme for me in the year 2022? And since past, present, and future doesn't really work for me in this situation, I'm going to change it to the beginning of the year, middle of the year, and the end of the year. So let's see what my cards have to say. So the first card is the Queen of Cups, and Queen of Cups is usually someone who is emotionally mature. It could possibly be another person coming into my life, but it could also be myself growing into a more emotionally mature person. This card usually deals with compassion and understanding, so I feel like this means emotional growth for me. Perhaps I'll be connecting with others, and maybe I need to remember to be kind to myself. Next is 6 of Cups, and again, it is another cup card, so it has to deal with feelings and emotions. It usually refers to nostalgia, so maybe happy feelings from the past are coming back. It can also be a reunion with people I know, and I think it can also possibly mean me doing something that I used to love. Yeah, I think this is a chance for me to connect with others as well. And last is the Fool. So the Fool is usually referring to new beginnings, possibly the beginning of a new journey. It is a positive journey. It is something that I am excited to do. So yeah, sounds like for year 2022 for myself, it's pretty pleasant. I have good feelings and I'm going on a new journey. It is going to be an emotional year, but it is going to be good emotions coming my way. And I'm going to say I'm going to have fun on this new journey of mine. It's probably something that I've been wanting to do for a while. So yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to year 2022. Sounds like a good year. Let me know what you guys think these cards mean down in the comments below. So I don't know if this potion actually helped me with my tarot reading, but I do know that this would definitely motivate me to practice more in the future. I also know that I really like drinking this, so this is definitely a keeper in my books. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that this potion helps you enhance your psychic abilities. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below, and like and subscribe for more awesome potions. Until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!